down the ramp. Push down, lift up. Two riders, please control the riders not way through. That reminder on hand on the way to the rider.
You're good, bud. I came here earlier.
Thanks.
Does that go on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet.
All right, riding the Phoenix in the back.
Alright everyone, today we're here at Knoebels. Actually, today also marks the 8-year anniversary of New Jersey Coast and Accelerated Creative. So let's take a ride on Phoenix, shall we? With streamers, of course, because it's not a day at an amusement park without people ruining your day with their eardrums. And here we go, let's stand, shall we? Whoa! Whoa!
That top got a little spooky.
Ah! Oh my God! Yep. Ah! What? Whoa! What was that? Ah! Oh my God! Uh-oh. Whoa!
Mike, ready?
Ah! Watch out, there's a death right here! Ah!
Man, that is Phoenix second over.
What's happening here? They're playing Twister on the Twister!
I don't know.
Screw stop.